Come. Once you've seen the pork belly, put it in a steamer and steam it for a while, then it's ready to serve. A new way to eat pork belly that you've never seen before. The pork belly that came out. Extremely crisp and tender, bursting with juice in every bite. Let's see what I am. Let's see how it's done. First, we'll choose this type of cabbage which has 5 layers of leaves. My piece of meat will cost a full 16 yuan today. I don't know about Qian Yijin. How much is it per pound over there? Add some salt to the bowl. Actually, if you give him a little more height. We just need to use our hands to gently pat and rub it. This step. To better. To remove the fishy smell and grease, let's add some water. Wash it several times. Okay, now for the crucial part, watch closely. They prepare. Put a pot of water in it, then add scallions and ginger. Next, I prepared this Shaoxing wine in advance. Pour it in and then we put one on top. Next, let's look at the container. Put this pork belly in the cage. Put it in the steamer, then cover it with the lid and open it wide. Fire and steam gauge. 25 minutes. The aroma of our scallions and ginger will accompany the Shaoxing wine. The temperature rises and it turns into water vapor. Pass through this person's hand. This can be more. To achieve what we want. The desired deodorizing effect is good. Time's up, let me show you how it works. At this point, if you use a chopstick to pierce it, a fork can easily penetrate it without any damage. The state of the blood proves this. The meat is cooked. Let's use 2 chopsticks to stab it with a fork, and then let's put it out. Just let it cool down naturally. Okay, wait until this pork is soft and cool enough to handle. At this point, let's prepare some small toothpicks and use them to break it apart. We should insert them as densely as possible. Oh, this? The deeper how ya inserted. Look, isn't the oil secreted from the area where it was inserted? This is how pork is made. Ah, that one is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, rich but not greasy. I eat it every day. He will share some cooking experiences and tips with his brother, sister, uncle, aunt, if you think this video might be of a tiny bit of help to your cooking skills. Can't you leave me a little red heart to encourage and support me? I am here. I wish all the brothers, sisters, uncles, and aunts who are watching this video a happy and healthy life. Good health, no illness, good fortune, wealth, peaceful and safe children, and parents. May your family be healthy and prosperous. If you received this sincere blessing from me, could you please reply with a message? Thank you for your support. Now let's modify the knife. While we're modifying the knife, it's very particular, don't change it. It's too wide, don't change it. It's too narrow, just like me. Let me show you. Like this, just make sure your face is wide. Now for the key points, let's take a look. Let's come here with this baijiu. This is 1 spoonful, and then this white vinegar. Look carefully, 1 spoonful, 2 spoonfuls. Make sure to remember this ratio. We'll use this ratio for the crispy skin glaze to make it crispy. This? A piece of pork skin. Special. It's crispy and delicious. The crust is actually similar to that of bubble tea. That's it. Brush it evenly, then put. Let it air dry naturally. If you're in a hurry, you can use a hairdryer to blow dry it. The effect will be the same. What amount of meat do we give this? Let's look at it from a distance, using our hands like this. Touch. It should be sticky but not sticky to the touch. Now, here comes a crucial point. Our pot is empty. No oil is added, just leave the meat like this. Come. We'll put him piece by piece into the pot, and we'll neatly arrange them for his mother. Next, cover it. Put the lid on and we'll use a low flame to remember. A particularly crucial point about our pot. Make sure to cover it to prevent the oil from splattering out when we're frying. It's easy to hurt yourself. I've been frying it for about 2 minutes now. Let's be careful. The pot lid should be facing us, and then we'll give this. It flipped over because one side had turned brown. It's flipped over and fried on one side. We can flip it a few more times halfway through, okay? They then gave its pointed facade. Okay, let's fry it in the pan. Listen to the sizzling sound. Then you can take a look. This pork is pan-fried until golden brown on all sides, including the skin, which develops a pearly sheen. Now that it's bubbled, we need to take it out. Don't want that lard. Throw away that lard. Our beef stir-fry with vegetables and such is really good. Come and get some. I'll show you. See if there is. Doesn't it look appetizing? Let's add some cumin and salt and pepper powder while it's hot. A little pricey, etc. The aroma came out instantly. It's from this crispy pork belly. If it's 100 points, you can give me more. Give me a small portion, let me taste it for you. Here, just this one piece. It's really delicious. I'll save this recipe and try it out. Follow me and you won't mess up your cooking.